Welcome back to my channel. Luxury drive car are the 2025 Jaguar F-Pace. This is the perfect blend of performance, luxury, and technology, giving rivals like the Porsche Macan, BMW X3, and Audi SQ5 a serious run for their money. If you're looking for an SUV with British refinement, a powerful lineup of engines, and a driver-focused experience, stick around because the 2025 F-Pace might just be the ultimate performance SUV you've been waiting for. Let's get into it. Exterior design styling. The 2025 Jaguar F-Pace is a masterpiece of design, sleek, aggressive, and unmistakably Jaguar. This latest model builds on its predecessor's refined aesthetics but sharpens things up with a more sculpted front end, bolder grille, and updated LED lighting technology. Jaguar has refined the double J-blade LED daytime running lights, making them slimmer and more aggressive. These pixel LED headlights aren't just stylish, they offer adaptive beam tech, adjusting the light pattern depending on traffic conditions. The front grille is now slightly larger with a new mesh pattern, enhancing the F-Pace's muscular stance. The bumper design is sharper, with larger air intakes that add to its athletic presence. Along the side, you'll notice the sleek body lines, aerodynamic contours, and flush door handlers are keeping the design clean and modern. The SUV rides on new alloy wheel designs, ranging from 19-inch standard wheels to massive 22-inch performance-focused alloys with blacked-out finishes on the sportier trims. At the back, the LED taillights feature Jaguar's signature chicane-style lighting, and the rear bumper gets a subtle revision, making the vehicle look wider and more planted. The quad exhaust tips on the high-performance SVR variant scream power and aggression. Available exterior colors include Firenze Red, Eiger Grey, Santrini Black, Carpathian Grey, Portofino Blue. For those looking for an extra sporty appeal, the black pack adds gloss black accents on the grille, window surrounds, and badges, giving it an even more sinister look. Performance engine options. Now, let's talk about what really makes the F-Pace exciting are the engine lineup. Jaguar has fine-tuned its powertrains to offer a perfect balance between performance and efficiency. There are 4 engine options in the 2025 lineup. 2.0 liters turbocharged 4-cylinder, P250 power, 246 horsepower, torque, 269 pounds-feet, 0 to 60 miles per hour, 6.9 seconds. Fuel economy, 24 mpg combined. This is the base engine, but don't let that fool you, it still delivers a smooth and responsive drive. Ideal for those who want a luxury SUV with solid performance and efficiency. 3.0 liters turbocharged inline-6 with mild hybrid, P400 power, 395 horsepower, torque, 406 pounds-feet, 0 to 60 miles per hour, 5.1 seconds. Fuel economy, 22 mpg combined. Equipped with Jaguar's Ingenium mild hybrid system, this inline-6 delivers more power while maintaining efficiency. Perfect for those who want extra punch, without jumping to the SVR model. Plug-in hybrid, FEF, AP400e power, 398 horsepower, combined. Electric range, 38 miles, 0 to 60 miles per hour, 5.0 seconds. Jaguar's plug-in hybrid model offers an electric-only range of nearly 40 miles, making it ideal for city commuting while still packing a performance punch. 5.0 liters supercharged V8 F-Pace SVR power, 542 horsepower, torque, 516 pounds-feet, 0 to 60 miles per hour, 3.8 seconds. Top speed, 178 miles per hour. The range-topping F-Pace SVR is the beast of the lineup. This supercharged V8 monster sounds absolutely insane and delivers blistering performance, rivaling some high-end sports cars. All models come with all-wheel drive, AWD, as standard, along with an 8-speed ZF automatic transmission for smooth and quick shifts. Driving experience handling. Jaguar has always been known for its sporty DNA, and the 2025 F-Pace is no exception. The chassis is lightweight but rigid, thanks to an aluminum-intensive construction, giving it a planted and agile feel. The steering is precise and responsive, offering a level of engagement you don't typically find in SUVs. Drive modes. Eco mode prioritizes fuel efficiency. Comfort mode, ideal for daily driving. Dynamic mode, sharper throttle response, tighter steering. Rain/ice/snow mode, enhanced traction on slippery surfaces. For enthusiasts, the SVR model comes with an adaptive suspension setup that makes it track capable while still offering comfort for long drives. Interior luxury features. Step inside the 2025 F-Pace, and you're greeted with pure British luxury. The cabin is a perfect blend of premium materials, cutting-edge tech, and driver-focused ergonomics. Key features: soft-touch leather surfaces with contrast stitching, real aluminium, carbon fiber, or wood trim options. 12-way power-adjustable sport seats. Heated ventilated panoramic sunroof. Configurable ambient lighting. The new PIVI Pro infotainment system takes center stage with a 11.4-inch curved glass touchscreen, offering crisp graphics and ultra-fast response times. Tech highlights include wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Amazon Alexa integration, Meridian surround sound system, 360-degree camera with 3D view, heads-up display. Jaguar has also improved the climate control system, which now features cabin air purification technology to filter out allergens and pollutants. Safety driver assistance. Jaguar doesn't cut corners on safety, and the 2025 F-Pace comes packed with advanced driver assistance features. Standard safety features: adaptive cruise control, blind spot assist, lane keeping assist, traffic sign recognition, emergency braking. Higher trims get semi-autonomous driving tech, making highway driving smoother and safer. Pricing. Trim levels. The 2025 F-Pace comes in several trims, each offering unique features. 1. F-Pace P250, base, I starts at $58,000. 2. F-Pace P400 SA starts at $66,500. 3. F-Pace FP400 EA starts at $70,000. 4. F-Pace SVR, V8 Beast, I starts at $92,000. Considering the level of luxury, performance, and technology, the F-Pace remains a strong competitor in the luxury SUV market. Final thoughts: say, should you buy it? So, is the 2025 Jaguar F-Pace worth it? Absolutely. For those looking for a luxurious, high-performance SUV with British elegance, the F-Pace checks all the boxes. It's a driver's SUV that blends power, technology, and refinement better than most of its competitors. Would you choose this over the BMW X3, Porsche Macan, or Audi SQ5? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive content, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Outro music fades out. This script delivers an engaging and in-depth review of the 2025 Jaguar F-Pace. ensuring your audience stays entertained and informed. Let me know if you want any adjustments. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.